Assalamualaikum students. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Basically, this is your lab 5, which is related to the Excel. In this lab, I am going to discuss with you people about Microsoft Excel basics. That how we can use Microsoft Excel. In your theory class, may you have little bit intro related to the Microsoft Excel. Basically, Excel is used to create workbooks. For example, if any kind of instruction have been saved to a file is known as the workbook in Microsoft Excel. Okay. This is the objective of this lab, main objective, to learn the basics of Microsoft Excel. Basically, Microsoft Excel, when you open up the Microsoft Excel, first window will be like this, and then you will have this type of blocks into your screen. This is basically your column and these are your rows. This is cell A1, for example, column A and row 1. So this is cell A1. This is cell E10, for example, column E and row 10. That's why it's E10. These are basically sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. These are sheets on which you can work. This is zoom in and zoom out of your document. Worksheets. The formula bar is basically present in top of your ribbon, which is here. This is the formula bar. Fx is related to the formula. This is B10, column B and row 10. You can create different type of formats in the Excel. You can edit different kind of cells. You can create background. You can edit the cell entity. If your text is too long, then you can simply adjust the cell according to its length or according to its row. Addition, subtraction, division and exponential. Simple addition, division, subtraction, multiplication. We will see all these things in today's lab. Just I am circulating the complete manual in front of you. Then we will go over the Excel where we will see all these things. This file has been uploaded to your LMS. You can view it from there. You can create borders into your sheets. You can simply merge and center the cell if you have any kind of heading over it. You can add different kind of background colors. Most of the ribbon items are related to the MS Word and MS PowerPoint. Bold, italic, all these underline and these kind of instructions are related to the MS Word and MS PowerPoint. Now, if you are creating this kind of information, for example, you have to create this particular row in a long text, then you can make complete row in one column. Different kind of format numbers you can use. For example, currencies according to your percentage. Different kind of formula can be used in MS Excel. Basically, this is Excel basics. So simple editing and simple information about min, max, average, count. These kind of information will be just seen through. Okay. Now I'm going to open up the Excel sheet so we can just go through it. At the end of this session, I will explain the exercise, what you have to perform. First of all, I would like to open up the Excel over here. This is Microsoft Excel. Open up the software in front of you. Basically, this is cell A1. If I will click over here, Then my number have been updated. This is I 13, column I and row 13. If I'm going to write down here anything, for example, name of student, and now I want to extend this particular block, I can simply perform merge and center. So my this particular block have been merged and center, and this particular block is now A1. If I just want to create this particular row like this, so I can create it like this also. Okay. Now I don't need merge and center in this condition, because my D block is simply over here. Now my row A is for the name of students, row B enrollment, semester, faculty, department, any kind of sheet you can create over here. For example, name of students. Before this particular block, I want to add a column. So I have inserted a column over here, and this is for the serial number. I will click over here 1, 2, and 3. Simply then I will select 1, 2, and 3, and then over here plus button I will drag it down. So these numbers will be automatically updated over here. This is basically simple drag and down. For example, I am going to write down here weekdays. Simple, I am going to write down here Monday, Tuesday. I will select these both columns and then I will drag it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I don't have to write complete days over here. These all days have been automatically updated by your MS Excel sheet. Okay. There are different kind of formatting sheets over here. In insert, you can insert different kind of rows or different kind of columns. Whatever you will select, and then you will click OK. So the row and column will be added to your particular block. In right, you can also delete particular row and particular column. If you want to delete some particular record, so you can delete it from here. On right, you will have copy paste option. You will have simple filter option. You will have sort option. We will see more of the things in our inshallah next lab, which is basically MS Excel Advanced. In this lab, we are going through just some particularly simple and basic exercises of MS Excel. This is basically different kind of formats have been placed over here. For example, if you want to write down some kind of number entities, if you want to place some kind of long time, percentage, these are basically formats which have been defined it over here. If you want to create percentage, for example, so percentage always will be added into it because you have selected over here. Okay. Control Shift and percent is basically the shortcut key for this. If you will put your particular cursor or any kind of ribbon or any kind of tab, then tooltip will be given to you. This particular thing is known as the tooltip, which is coming up over your screen. This is basically the tooltip which have been given to you. You can have different kind of format over there here, writing formats, different kind of size formats, underline, bold and italic. These are common formats which are related to the MS Word. You can also create some kind of border over here. For example, I have selected column G, and now I am going to create border over here. I can edit my border according to my own way, which kind of line I want to implement over here, which kind of box. I want to draw my own box, so I can also draw my own box. I can draw my own color over the line, so I can draw it also. Okay, students, this is merge and center the cell. This is wrap cell. Basically, if I am going to write, for example, I am going to write here Muhammad Hassan Khan Niazi. For example, this is the name of my student. Now I am going to wrap the text. So this particular row will be extended into the particular way, so that my complete name of the student will be shown in particular block with particular format. And also I can implement here merge and center. So the particular block will be merged. For example, if I am going to select these both cells and then I'm going to click over merge and center, so this particular block is now merged. For example, this is just B22 and the particular text is becoming centered. Okay, these are two tabs which normally used a lot in your Excel sheets. These are basically angles which can be formed in your particular sheet. If you want to format the particular cell alignment, so you can do this. There are multiple other options. In insert tab, you can insert different kind of charts, graphs, different kind of text boxes, objects. In your page layout, you can have different kind of orientations, different kind of themes you can implement over your particular book. Different kind of colors you can have, print sizes, margins. Multiple options have been given to your Excel sheet. Different kind of formula is pre-built formulas given to you in your Excel sheet, which are count, sum, max, min, average. These are formulas basically given to you. For example, I am going to create here marks. Sub 1, enter. Sub 2. And if you want to shift the particular block, so simply just click over tab and sub 4. Then enter. In first cell, for example, I am giving in first cell out of 100, 87, 67 and 87 again. This is the particular block which I have given. Now here is basically min number of this particular block. So I am just going to insert the formula of equals to min and then select the particular column and then press enter. So minimum number in this particular block is 55. Now I am going to calculate max. You can insert from here equals to and then mx max. Max number from this particular block is, this particular block is not basically enabled, max. Click over here when number 1 and number 2, these particular block have been shown. So this is working perfectly and then press enter. So max number is basically 87. Now average, we are going to calculate the average over this particular block equals to, this is average. Double click over here, select the particular column and then enter. The average of this particular student is 74. Now we are going to count the particular student's record equals to count and then select the particular record and then press enter. So basically we have 4 records, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total records are 4. Now we are going to format these particular cells over here. For example, the value is going to be the blue and the background is like this. So we can evaluate over our sheet that these particular blocks have been edited like this. If I don't want to perform on this particular each block, then I just click over this particular block, format printer, and then I will click over here. So complete format will be implemented over this particular block automatically. Okay, students. Now I'm going to view our node. If some of the thing is remaining, then I would like to evaluate it also. Count, average, sum. Sum is remaining. We are going to sum this particular block over here. If you want to create sum, SUM sum, and then press enter, equals to sum, and then select the particular block and then press enter. So the sum of these numbers is like this. Sum is basically the total number. Now I'm going to format this particular sum, format printer, and then press over the sum. So our column has been ready. For example, min, max, average, count and sum. 5 formulas have been evaluated for today. Simple drag down of your particular block so you can have the particular series. For example, if you will type over here 2, 4, 6. When you will select over here and then you will just simply drag. So you will get the numbers according to the difference of 2. If you will select over here and you will press 5, 10, 15 and then you will just select the particular blocks and then you will drag. So you will get the numbers according to the difference of 5. So these are basically the series which you can get over here. Select the particular series and then you can insert the particular series of the format. Okay.